The age of autonomous war machines is here. No pilots, no remote controls, just AI-driven combat drones, deciding life and death in real time. And now, a company called Shield AI just raised $240 million to take this technology to the next level. Backed by major defense giants, they're building AI-powered drones that can outthink human pilots, execute missions alone, and change warfare forever. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. And the biggest question is, are we ready for a world where AI controls the battlefield? Let's break it all down. Shield AI is thriving at a time when many AI startups are struggling. Their recent $240 million funding round has pushed their valuation to $5.3 billion, making them one of the most valuable defense AI companies in the world. What makes this funding particularly interesting is not just the amount but also the key players involved. L3Harris Technologies, a major U.S. defense contractor specializing in military communication and surveillance, is heavily invested in this, signaling that AI-powered autonomy is becoming a top priority for the U.S. military. Hanwha Aerospace, a South Korean defense giant, is also involved, suggesting that this isn't just a U.S. focus, it's a global arms race. And then, there's Andreessen Horowitz, one of the world's leading venture capital firms, known for backing major tech giants. Their involvement highlights that AI-powered drones aren't just a military innovation, they're also seen as a multi-billion-dollar commercial market. Some analysts speculate that this combination of military and venture capital backing indicates we're at the precipice of a massive shift. As autonomous drone tech advances, we could see the rise of private military companies leveraging this technology for contracts, potentially leading to privatized warfare, where corporate entities have a larger stake than nation-states in combat operations. This would radically change global geopolitics and raise questions about the role of corporate power in military decisions. The reason these investors are so confident in Shield AI's potential comes down to one core technology: HiveMind AI. This is their artificial intelligence software that allows drones to think, learn, and make real-time combat decisions without any human control. Unlike traditional drones, which require constant human input, Shield AI is removing the human from the equation entirely. Some experts predict that HiveMind AI could evolve into something even more powerful over time. Currently, it's designed to assist in combat missions, but in the future, it could enable drones to adapt to changing environments and decide the best course of action with minimal human intervention. Could these drones eventually gain the ability to self-improve and evolve their strategies? Some military analysts believe that HiveMind could become a type of autonomous general, capable of running entire battles with little to no oversight. But this raises ethical concerns. How much control should be handed over to AI when the stakes are so high? One of the most advanced aircraft using this technology is the V-Bat drone. This drone is a game changer because it combines the best of both worlds. It can take off vertically like a helicopter, then transition to flying like a fixed-wing aircraft, making it perfect for reconnaissance, surveillance, and even combat missions, all while operating autonomously. Shield AI is also working with Kratos Defense to integrate HiveMind AI into advanced military aircraft like the XQ-58A Valkyrie, an autonomous stealth drone designed to assist fighter jets in combat. One of the most revolutionary concepts in development right now is swarm warfare, where dozens or even hundreds of AI-powered drones operate as a coordinated unit. This is a massive leap in combat capability, because these drones can outmaneuver enemy defenses, overwhelming anti-aircraft systems that weren't designed to handle mass autonomous threats. Some military strategists argue that swarm warfare could completely transform military tactics, turning what would have been a major air defense system into a useless target for an overwhelming swarm of AI-controlled drones.